Well, hello there. This is Skip McCoy with Riversoft University. This segment is about configuring physicians. That's available from the Configure menu right here. I've already got that up though. And this is the list of physicians that you have put inside your physicians database. All the column headers are sortable. I'm going to bring one of these up. And to put a physician in, you'll need their first name, middle initial, last name, degree, NPI number, license date, and date verified. Claim and group ID is rarely used, but it is required for some CMS 1500s by some payers. We have a PCOS table that's delivered you each month inside our database. And if they're in that PCOS table, they get a check mark right here, and this is their taxonomy code. If they're not in the PCOS table, you will not be able to bill for them if it's a CMS claim. This is the contact information for them, general email, the email they want their care plans and verbal orders sent to, the mail method, phone, and fax. If they're going to dial in using Riversoft Mobile to look at the patient charts that belong to them, and that means the patients that have them as the doctor, as the primary doctor, this would be their username right here. And this is the LEIE check. This is the Office of the Inspector General's list of excluded individuals and entities. You can do that check one at a time, or you can do it on the list level all at once in a batch. If running this batch it finds a possible match, you would go here and then run the check one at a time and then check the name against the list and see if it's actually a match. Okay, where's that physician information used? Well, on the client screen, right here, you tell us who the referring primary and secondary physicians are, and that's going to flow forward to all the clinical notes as the default value. You can also tell us who the face-to-face physician is, and these three buttons pull from your physicians database. Okay, you're also going to choose physicians on the clinical notes, the care plans, the verbal orders, and the OASIS. And that physician information is not only important for having it correct on the OASIS and for getting the care plan and the verbal order to the correct physician, but there's also reporting on the physician. The sales and cost report is available by not just the referring physician, but also the current physician. The census reports are also available by physician or physician group. And the client list is available by physician. Okay, if you no longer are going to use a physician, you should mark them do not use. As soon as you do this and save it and go back to the list, they're going to show here as do not use, and you can actually, there we go. These are all the physicians that you've marked as do not use. Once you mark them as do not use, by default they don't show on any of your selection list anymore in the system. Okay, well that was an overview of how to manage the physicians database in your system. This is Skip McCoy for Riversoft University signing off.